Hello and welcome, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. It's a sound demo video. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings. It's for this beautiful drum just here. This is an 18-inch diameter horse skin shamanic drum. Beautiful coloration on this this skin. I've left the hair on this drum. I have actually trimmed the hair down slightly on the drum head to allow it to vibrate more, to give it a better sound. If it's a very long hair on there, what happens is it mutes the sound and inhibits the vibration of the skin a little bit. So yeah, I haven't done that on the sides. As you can see, it wasn't very long anyway. I only took a very small amount off. If I turn it over, you can see the way it's been constructed on the back here with this inner circle. This is bound with sari rope, which is lovely and colourful and bright and happy. This is beechwood, forming this cross in the middle, the 4 directions for the handle. On the inside of the willow frame here, I put my Maker's Mark Driftwood Hollow Drums, also the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 30th of July. I put an image of a horse's head in there as well, and also I've written in horse and willow, so you've always got that reference point. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, either of those available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose to. That this is going to be your drum, then there's a beater to go along with it. I think they're about 18-20 pounds, something like that. I think the price has just gone up very slightly to cover the ever expanding living crisis that we've got with the cost of everything just going up, but only by £1 or £2, I think. So yes, let's not talk about that sort of thing. That's horrible. Let's talk about beautiful shamanic drums. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with the soft beater first, and then we'll go on to the firmer beater. Beautiful. And then the firm beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum. It's very difficult buying online. It's so much nicer to be able to hear the drum as well, so that's why I make these little videos. I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.